Hey guys, it's your boy James R. Davis Sr. here. I want to be the first to welcome you to my Econ. If you are getting started to start repairing your credit, let me go ahead and show you how to get that done. First and foremost, two of the things that you're going to want to do is one, download the cash flow manager to your phone. Number two, download the app. Okay, so we're going to go into the app real quick. I'm going to show you where you need to go right away to start repairing your credit. All right, so if you click on the income shifting membership, it'll take you straight here. And this is what you just paid for, $29 one time and an ongoing monthly fee. Go straight to the smart credit system, okay? And it's going to take you there. And go ahead and get yourself started. All right, go ahead right here. Watch the introduction video. Click on this tab right here. Enter the smart credit system, or my credit system, they changed the name on it, and start your first lessons. Okay, make sure you go through all of these modules. Okay, make sure you print out the proper documentation that you need. All right, when you get done, you're going to be a credit repair expert. Okay, you're going to be a credit repair expert. All right, so this is for those of you that wanted to get focused on credit repair. Now, for those of you that said, yo, I also saw where it says bring an extra $200 to $800 back into my paycheck. What's that all about? Good question. Go to BMC Home, click on that tab, and then scroll right here and get started. The big green get started button right there in the middle. And again, you can go to the My Credit System from this particular page as well. So get started. Let's click on that. And everything literally is right back here. All you got to do is do your due diligence, go through the system, apply the information, and the rest is history. I'm going to get you connected to our support group as well on Facebook. Let me go here real quick and show you the group. It's the 5-day credit repair challenge group. As you can see, there's 3,000 members in the group. Come on over here so you can get you some tips on the credit repairs, okay? And so if you got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. These are some in-depth steps as well, in addition to your training. It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. Have fun and keep me posted on your results. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.